Hey DIY clubbers, stay tuned to see how I completed this lace wig install. Guys, I wanted to start by showing you the wig that we'll be installing today. It's this really cute little wig with a braid down the middle. It has a section with your middle braid with the parts. On the inside you have your combs and your little strings that you can either tighten the wig or make it looser. The construction of this is really good. I got this from my local beauty supply store because I have not yet moved to buying wigs online because I have not got that trust in me. I'm just showing you how I apply my wig cap. First I go through and I oil like my edges because I want to make sure that I don't have any breakage. And then I am just pulling the wig cap down over my ears and applying the Got to Be Glued spray all around the perimeter and using my dryer to dry it. You want to make sure that this is laid down flat as this is your foundation. Once I've got the wig cap in place and as smooth as I can, I will go ahead and put the wig on just to see placement and how it'll look on and see whether I need to tighten the straps or not. And I just kind of play around with it, moving it around my head, seeing exactly where I want it to lay, and just making sure it's going to look good and it's not too far up on my head or too far back. And you just kind of play around and see exactly where you want it to lay. So once I've gotten the wig pretty much where I want it to be, I kind of slide it back a little bit and I apply my foundation to the wig cap. Now, I forgot that this wig does not have a straight middle part, so you'll apply the foundation where your parts are going to be, and that'll help to camouflage it. And then I went ahead and started adding my Got to Be Glue spray and using my dryer to lay that lace down. And you want to just keep going around the perimeter, being careful to avoid your eyes. Then you'll tie it down and work on styling the wig. So to style the wig, I'm just taking the rubber bands out of each of the sections and going through with a flat iron. I just want to smooth down the hair, get it to lay as flat as possible. And I'm going to go through and complete this on both sections. You can take your time and do smaller sections as you want. You could even add curls, but I just wanted to go smooth and flat iron the hair. Once I've gotten the hair completely flat ironed, it's time to cut the lace. This will be the most tedious part of the entire process, so go slow, take your time, and just make sure that you don't nick yourself. And you can add more of the Got to Be Glue spray as needed if any of the edges lift up. Also make sure to have some baby wipes on hand because it helps with cleanup. And here is what the finished install of the wig looks like. I really like how this came out. I think it's super cute. It's young, it's fresh, it's adorable. I decided not to gel down the edges because I thought it added a different look to it. Of course, if I wear this again, I can actually gel down the edges for a smoother look, but I just really liked how cute this was. I love it. The braid in the middle just adds a cute little pop of color with it being pink, and it just adds a little bit of a difference to the entire look of the wig. This is a complete win for me. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below. Hey DIY clubbers, thanks for joining me for another video this week. I know this is a little bit different than my normal DIYs, but I really have fun applying wigs and just trying out different styles. And so I just figured I would show you guys a little bit of how I do it. Make sure you like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for notifications of when I post each and every Tuesday. No matter wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, love you guys. Bye.